Most SUVs don't die because they're weak. They die because of neglect. Every year, millions of SUVs are sold with the promise of adventure, reliability, and long life. But only a small percentage actually make it past 200,000 miles in good condition. The difference isn't luck. It's not even brand alone. It's what the owner knows. Today, we're revealing 7 powerful secrets that can dramatically extend the life of your SUV. These aren't marketing tips. These are real habits used by owners whose vehicles seem to last forever. And some of these might surprise you. 7. Cold starts matter more than you think. Most engine wear happens in the first few minutes after starting your SUV. When the engine is cold, oil hasn't fully circulated yet, and metal parts are still dry. The secret is simple. Don't drive aggressively right after startup. Let your engine idle for a short moment, then drive gently for the first few minutes. No hard acceleration, no high RPMs. This allows oil to reach every critical component and reduces long-term wear dramatically. It's a small habit that adds years to your engine's life. 6. Transmission fluid is not lifetime. Many manufacturers claim transmission fluid lasts a lifetime. That sounds great, but it's not entirely true. Heat, towing, hills, and stop-and-go driving slowly break down transmission fluid. Over time, dirty fluid causes slipping, overheating, and eventually failure. SUVs that last forever have one thing in common. Owners change transmission fluid regularly. Not too early, not too late, just consistently. Ignoring this is one of the fastest ways to kill an otherwise perfect SUV. 5. Suspension neglect kills everything else. SUVs are heavy. They rely on suspension components more than most vehicles. When shocks, bushings, or control arms wear out, the damage doesn't stop there. Bad suspension increases stress on tires, steering, drivetrain parts, and even the body itself. The secret is proactive inspection. If your SUV feels bouncy, loose, or noisy over bumps, don't ignore it. Fixing suspension early prevents a chain reaction of expensive problems later. A smooth ride isn't just comfort, it's longevity. 4. Heat is the silent killer. Heat destroys engines quietly. Overheating doesn't always mean steam or warning lights. Sometimes it's subtle. Slightly high temperatures, clogged radiators, or old coolant losing effectiveness. SUVs that last forever stay cool. That means regular coolant flushes. Clean radiators, working fans, and thermostats. Even one overheating event can shorten engine life permanently. Managing heat is one of the most underrated secrets of long-lasting vehicles. 3. Your driving style is a mechanical decision. SUVs driven aggressively age faster. That's not opinion, it's physics. Hard acceleration, sudden braking, and constant high speeds put extra stress on engines, transmissions, and drivetrains. Owners whose SUVs reach extreme mileage drive differently. They accelerate smoothly, they coast more, they brake gently. You don't have to drive slow, you just have to drive smart. Your right foot controls how fast your SUV ages. 2. Small maintenance beats. Big repairs. Here's the secret most people learn too late. Skipping small maintenance doesn't save money, it delays the bill and makes it bigger. Oil changes, filters, belts, hoses, spark plugs. These parts are cheap compared to engines and transmissions. SUVs that last forever are maintained before they break. The owners don't wait for warning lights. They follow schedules. They listen to the vehicle. They fix problems early. That mindset is worth more than any extended warranty. 1. The biggest secret: ownership mindset. This is the most important secret of all. SUVs that last forever are owned by people who plan for forever. They don't ask, Can I skip this? They ask, how does this affect the long run? They warm up properly. They service fluids. They address small issues early. They respect the machine. Modern SUVs are incredibly capable. With the right habits, many can last 300,000 miles or more. The difference isn't the badge on the hood, it's the person behind the wheel. Final thoughts. Your SUV doesn't need to be babied, but it does need to be understood. Longevity isn't about luck, it's about consistency. If you apply even half of these secrets, your SUV will outlast expectations, save you thousands in repairs, and stay reliable for years to come. And that's the real definition of value.